Hello guys, it's a new week, Sunday. I'm boiling some tea in the morning as I usually do, and I'm also going to be making banana pancakes to start off the week with some yummy breakfast. My friend is going to come over and enjoy them with me. Hopefully they turn out. I haven't made these without my other friend who's a baking master, so we'll see how it turns out. I'm excited though. I love pancakes. Going to microwave my frozen bananas as usual. Okay, we got my bananas. It's really gross, but I'm gonna put them in this bowl, aka my mixing pot. This pot cooking. Since I don't have maple syrup, I'm also going to try to make whipped cream topping. And we're going to try to whip this by hand, so wish me luck. It's my whipped cream, but then it didn't whip because I don't have a whipped cream. So for this workout, we did abs, arms, and butts. We did mostly Pamela Reif's videos, and I think it was pretty good. I felt my butt burn quite a bit during this. I never actually make comprehensive nice meals, but today we decided to make steak and bread and shrimp and have it with red wine, and it was so delicious. But I ended up throwing up at the end of the night, but that is besides the point because the food was great. I did end up going to sleep pretty drunk that night, but I ended up rallying the next morning to go cycling with my friend, because if you know anything about me, you know that I am not a flake. I will not cancel any plans, even if I'm a little bit dead. And here is my classic lunch meal of the day. It's kind of janky, but you know what? I do what I have to do. This is the only thing I really know how to make really quickly. 1 minute max. Okay, another super quick meal is being able to fry up this barbecue chicken. My mom already pre-marinated it. It's so easy. I just take out the bag and put it on the pan, and I'm just okay. The audio in these clips are really bad because the water was boiling, but anyways, I just got this package from Tiangle. Thank you so much for sending this over. I really enjoyed making all these teas. I love matcha, and it's been really fun testing out all these flavors. Personally, like the matcha plain one the best, or the matcha chai. Okay, this next clip is really funny. This low-key exploded on me. I'm not even sure if I'm supposed to use hot water in this, but apparently, maybe not. What the fuck just happened? What just happened? They're shaking. Ow. Oh, okay. I didn't touch it. Oh, I put hot water in it because I don't want cold stuff right now. Maybe we can touch cold stuff, bro. It said you can put hot water or cold water. Excuse me, I'm just listening to the instructions. Ruby literally makes fun of me every single day for making the same shit. But it's okay. I don't even know how to make anything else, or I don't have the time to. This is just too easy. Another one of my staples is waffles, but okay, last time I went to the grocery store, I decided not to buy them because when they're in my freezer, I will literally eat the entire box within a week. So I have to do self-control. It is late at night and I just bake cookies by myself because why the fuck not? I'm eating the dough. It's just so good. Therapeutic. It's been a long day. It's been a long week. Cookies just heal my soul. So apparently people who don't have enough money to buy therapy actually just bake or listen to driver's license instead, and that is me. Hi, Paul. Oh shit, not that. Guys, don't come for me, but I go to Chipotle and order the 3-pointer, which is just chicken and rice, but it's so good. Like, I don't know, sometimes the other stuff just makes it too mushy, but chicken and rice, perfect. So today I actually did 2 workouts. In the morning I did a cycling workout, and then in the afternoon I auditioned for my dance team again, and this is a clip from our auditions. So just gonna pop in here and say that in the next few days I didn't vlog or work out at all. Honestly, was kind of dead after this workout day, and also I just ended up eating that bread haul for the next like 2 or 3 days, and I finished like a loaf of bread and more. Not the best diet or lifestyle, but sometimes you just gotta do what you gotta do to get through the week. So there you go. I'm not perfect, I'm sorry. So I haven't worked out in the past 3 days. Doesn't feel great. I've been really busy, but finally got the time today. Rain stopped, so I'm here out on the track. Sorry, I'm out of breath already. But I'm just gonna do like probably 2 or 3 miles today, and we'll call it a day. Maybe some abs later. Awesome. I did 2 miles total. I'm gonna go do some ab work right now. Whew. I didn't think it was gonna be this hot, but it gets really hot when you're running. I'm gonna be following my 6-minute intense ab training video, and then maybe Pamela 10-minute one after. I'm tired already, but it's good. It'll build strength. One of the hardest things to do, honestly, is trying to get back on track of working out after you've fallen off of it. You just feel really sluggish, and it's really hard to get yourself back up and up. But I'm really glad that this break only lasted a couple of days, and I was able to get back my head into it. It would be awesome. Here are some bonus meals that I don't really know where they fit into the week, but McDonald's, more cookies that I made for my new team, and also I had In-N-Out one of these days, and it was freaking fire. Like, I should really just get out more often. It's too good. Hey guys, so I just want to pop in here. It is at the end of the week, but I just wanted to point out that this week was really busy, and that I missed a shit ton of meals in between, and I'm really sorry about that. I also didn't work out every single day just because timing didn't really allow, and I was kind of dead. But I promise you this week is going to be a lot better. I don't know what I have planned, but at least I won't be doing recruiting 24/7. Anyways, I really apologize for this very scattered video, but I promise this week will be a lot more comprehensive, and I will hopefully have something up by Sunday. Okay, anyways, bye. Thank you so much for watching.